Alright, this is part 4 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini build, and we're going to be starting at step 10. And here it's pretty much the same as the front, it's a little bit different, and I'll point that out. So we're going to start with this piece right here, C11. And we're going to use a 1.5 millimeter bit and drive these screws into the, I think this is the upper arm, and these remind me of droop screws, if you know what those are. And we're just going to drive these through and leave about 2.2 millimeters on the underside, and we'll see how that works out. All right, so it's going to look like that. Okay, and then we're going to drive these two ball studs from the underside of this piece with a 2 millimeter hex driver, and that's going to be these right here. And looks like we're going to be putting it through this part. All right, and then finally we're going to put the suspension balls, which are going to be these right here. And we're just going to snap these in. All right, so it should look like that, just like the other side. And now we can move on to the next step, and that is to build the rear uprights. Again, it's a repeat of the front, and we're going to grab these C14s. We also need, I believe it's 4 of these G2s, so I'll just grab these 4. Alright, and we're going to need these universal shafts that we built in the beginning of the kit, and we're going to put some grease onto, oops, here. Slip that through and add some to there. And then slide this in. And again, we're going to hold everything with a large snap pin, which are going to be these right here. And just like before, we need to put a ball stud. We're working on this left side, so I'm going to put this ball stud right here. And I believe last time we just used this box wrench. Okay, let's repeat for the other side. Alright, so we're done with step 11, I believe. Now we're going to move on to step 12. Again, it's going to look very familiar. Alright, now we have all the pieces. We got the spring, the screw, the large washer, small washer, and we have this piece and the two uprights. So we need to make sure that these two ball studs are on the bottom and that this part, this U part, is facing you. And we're going to start with the screw and a large washer. Then we're going to put it through the suspension ball. And then the small washer. And then the spring. And I believe we're going to be grabbing this side, the right side, and this is where the ball stud is facing you. All right. And then repeat on the other side. Okay, so we have that. 12 is done, so let's go ahead and build the rear differential. We're going to start with that, and we're going to drop 1, 2, 3, and we're going to grease them. Then we're going to put this piece on top. And we know from the previous step that there are going to be these plastic bushings right here. And I'm just going to borrow the lip of this tray to keep this standing straight up. And now we're done with this. I think this could use a little bit of grease right here. And now we're going to drop it into the gearbox, just like we did for the front. And let's go ahead and grease that gear. All right, and then we're going to set this here just like that. And again, make sure it's flush. And let's just go ahead and set this down for a second. And this U part is going to be facing out, and this is going to be going in there. And then this piece is BA2. Okay, and it's going to go this way. And it's going to be these two screws. So this hole is going to be like this. But first we line it up there. Then we drop this in there. And again, if you did it correctly, it should be completely flush. You don't need to push or use any kind of force at all. It should just all kind of fit in there. All right. And now we're done. It should look like this. So we have a pretty neat most of the chassis here. I think you can imagine, I believe this is the front, and how it's coming together. So this was part 4 of the Tamiya Lunchbox mini kit build, and I'm looking forward to step 5 and finishing this kit up very soon. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.